Hey, what is going on, guys? In today's video, we're going to be starting episode 1 officially of my M1 Finance series. So I'll be going over with you my portfolio now that it's funded, and I will be showing you guys just a few more things about M1 Finance and what you guys can get if you sign up. So essentially, this account has been funded completely, the $1,000 that I promised in the first video in episode 0. As you guys can see, net cash flow plus $1,000. I'm down $1.83, but that's no big deal. Just the first day, no problem whatsoever. So essentially, these are the positions that I have. They have changed a bit from my first video. I moved some stuff around. I allocated more percent to some stuff and then less percent to others. Added some new things. One new thing that I added was this iShares 20 plus year Treasury bond ETF, and this will be I hope will add some safety into my portfolio. And I also did it for its dividend yield of 2.29%, which is a pretty good number if I do say so myself. But essentially, this is my pie. The Treasury ETF has not been added yet. Because M1 Finance just takes a little bit because everything's automatic because I have auto invest on, and so everything's automatic. So I believe it waits till the next trading day, which in this case will be Monday because it's Friday right now. I'm recording this on a Friday. The market currently is open. I will be trying to record when the market is closed for these weekly videos. From now on, I will be trying to record when the market is closed because I usually record at night anyways, and it would just be nice to be able to go over my returns and they stay stagnant instead of changing, because these, during trading hours, these numbers are constantly changing right here, constantly fluctuating. So it'll be just a lot easier to record after hours and be able to see like a solid what I've made today, what I've made this week, this month, everything. So basically from now on, after this video, recordings are going to be at night, so just watch out for that. And one thing I didn't get to go over because I didn't have this account funded is how you buy and sell positions. So this is kind of unusual. So there are a few different ways to buy and sell positions. So one is this big button here, and it's buy and sell. So essentially, let's say if I invested $1,000 into it, and then in 6 months I had $1,100 in it. So I made $100 and I wanted to collect that $100 of profit. Let's just say, for the sake of just thinking, we're just gonna collect the $100 of profit. Now this wouldn't actually happen. I would save the $100, let it get reinvested back into my pie, and then just compound. But let's just say if I did, I would go to this buy and sell option right here. And then instead of buying and selling out of specific places, I would buy and sell a specific dollar amount. So let's say if I wanted to put more into my pie from my available from orders, I would enter, like, let's say if I had an extra $200, I would just put $100 or like $200 right here, and this would buy $200 worth of more positions. It would calculate automatically which ones it thinks I should buy, which ones they think is the best bet for me to buy, and then it would buy those automatically. And then for sell, it's kind of the same deal, just opposite. So essentially, if I was to sell out of some positions, like if I was to make that $100 worth of profit, I would enter $100 right here, and then $100 would be instantly deposited into my account, and then I could withdraw that to my bank or do whatever I want with it. Really, I could use it for future orders, whatever, really. And as you guys can see, so it says you currently have auto invest on. If you want your sell orders to remain in your cash balance, you must turn auto invest off before the next trade window. So essentially, if you want to withdraw to your bank, I guess, you have to turn off auto invest and then withdraw to your bank, and then you could turn it back on or do whatever, like anything like that. So I'm not going to do that right now. I'm probably never going to do that until I finally withdraw in this account. But the whole goal behind stocks is to let your base investment compound over time and just keep building wealth passively. So so far these are my top gainers. O Realty, and let me see, I could sort it by gain. So I have O Realty here, Disney, Walmart, and this iShares Core High Dividend Yield ETF. These have been my top gainers so far. O has really been putting in work in my portfolio, really been working hard. Apple has been one of my biggest losers, so but I'm not sweating that too much because I have faith that Apple will shoot back up, so no big deal there. But anyways, that was basically M1 Finance episode 1. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys got something out of it, definitely hit the like button, click the bell to get notified when I upload, and just stay tuned for the series because I'm actually pretty excited to see, where this account goes and where it goes in the future. So, and then before I go, I just want to say, click the link down in the description if you're interested in joining M1 Finance, and you could use my referral code, and it'll give you $10 to start off with, and it'll give me $10. So if you want to help me out a little bit, if you want to help yourself, thank you, you're welcome. You can join my referral code and get $10 immediately into your portfolio. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you got something out of it, definitely subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.